flow cans, the measuring cylinders, everything are here in measurement. Separation mixture pack, all of them are here. So right now, for example, now this one is a separating funnel. When we are separating mixtures at primary 5, this is what we have. And when we are doing the training with the teachers, and the day you will choose, I don't tell you that we use it. We now use it. Then we look at some of the errors. Teachers ask questions. Where have they been having challenges? We check with the syllabus. How do we now teach this in a competency based? These days we are in competence. You may be seriously pushing us there. Then you are also going to find their heat. There will be heat section there. In heat section is where we're going to find all this the components for teaching changes of states of matter. Here, expansion, heat conduction. There is another pack for heat conduction. Where is the small pack? I think it is here. It is also the conductivity set, the one with the different metals, and we show how different metals can conduct heat. All of them are here. They are also part of the heat section. Now, among the heat section, we also have this is a stove. Why we put this stove is because in some schools you can't find gas, but yet we have this topic, the concepts of heat. So this one will help us produce the heat to heat. When you are teaching about expansion in metals, then you have to heat a ball, then you try it in a ring, then you are going like that. So as we are going to be doing them, you'll find there, this is an electric bell. It is part of magnetism. Is part of magnetism. So you'll find there magnetism. I believe you guys might be teaching you have P7. Yes. You might be teaching electricity and electricity now, or almost done with it. So this magnetism will be part of it, and electric bell is also part of the magnetism section. Now, since we have said about electricity and magnetism, you also find there section for electricity. And in this section for electricity, you'll find there a lot of things. You'll find there a model of electric circuit that a teacher uses to connect with the runners. Then runners get theirs, these dry cell holders, the switch, they also connect in their groups on their own, and then the teacher looks out and says, guys, for you are not connected. We said we are connecting negative to positive because we want to develop the competences. You are going to find there a model of a torch, because remember, after the electric circuit, the application is now the runners running about the torch. So now we make them. Now, why we put such things is, I always encourage the schools that work with us, always conduct science exhibitions. Not this science of exhibitions of having gardens in Kavera as a science exhibition, no. Having things that are showing application of knowledge learned from classrooms. So if I have put a torch here with the one bulb, maybe in exhibition runners can have a board full of how you can connect the house. You get it? So because they are using the knowledge from the basic wiring of a base of what? Of a simple electric circuit. Then we'll find the energy converter with the dynamo. It is this one that is at the side. So that now we show mechanical energy to electrical energy. Then from electrical energy, we will see a bulb lighting. But as we rotate the dynamo.